Happy New Year, everyone! I'm Carlos here, and welcome to Mutant Zone 2. Probably we can go to level 1. Plus, if they know about anything else, oh my god, Jesse's crying. What the fuck? Their army of mutants. If I keep crying, it won't lead to anything. I need to leave this place and find Sabrina. I need to be strong. Oh no. This can help me a lot. Oh shit. Go away! Go away! Go away! Ah! Stop! Owie! What the fuck was that? Ah! My goodness. My health is really low. I had to be careful of the mutants, so make sure we had to do it. In the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Okay. Oh, it's going to be a long, long day. Okay. Okay. Nice. I think I can learn to use this. Wow, look at that. I think I should go back for that. But don't worry, I need to take the AK-47. Uh-oh. That's a green alien. Just from the distance. Jump! Stay away from me! Ah, the shrimp monster! The shrimp monster! Oh my gosh! Get out! Oh my god, green alien! Bro, what the hell? What the hell? There's army of mutants? Serious? And this key should get me out of here. Oh, that's the green alien? I fucking swear to God. If it's going to be attacking me, I'm so going to beat his asshole for that. Want to jump? Okay. Already wasting a lot of time. I need to hurry. I don't have much time to waste. Okay. I hate sewers. Go away, you piece of rat. I had to find something that, like, open the door from the missing one. Okay, so we found the new shotgun, but, yes. What a shame. What a shame. Looks like I cannot find interesting around here. What a shame. What a shame. I think I'm gonna get drowned for that. Oh. Jesus Christ. I need to get off. Okay. One by one. First of all, a crank, it must be from that door. What the hell? So, maybe there's another way to solve different mysteries. What is this? Oh no. Die, you piece of shit. Take that. Ha! No one can get me. No one can get me. You piece of rat. Okay. Where's the first aid kit? What's this? What the hell? Holy fuck. Okay, slowly time. This looks like some kind of mutant parasite. Oh my god. Could be it just like the zombie thing? Or something? I don't know what my idea was. Alien, no! What? Alien again! It's purple! Okay, I think I can use the shotgun, so make sure we have to be careful. I found secret shotgun. Wow! This one looks like a lot of human. Oh my god. At least there isn't a terrible smell here. Go to jail, noob. Okay. Shoot! Alien! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Whoa, that was scary in there. Way out, finally! You okay? So, maybe we should go to another level? What is this thing? There's someone holding a chainsaw? A mutant butcher! Oh, where's the rifle? I can't see anything. Why am I not so nervous? I'm going to use to dealing with this world. Okay. Check on, check on. That was scary. Should be a boss fight. What the? Oh shit. Oh no. Ah, so loud. Shut up, mutant butcher. I said, shut up. Make sure we have to be careful. Something attacking me. That's not a deal. What? I forgot to take the rifle? Okay, we found a rifle. Now let's go. Godzilla. What is that? Another industrial area. At least it's better than walking through the sewer. Oh no. Could be like very terrible monsters. Oh no! Go away! Oh my goodness, that's a dog man. What the hell, you guys? Oh shit. Okay. The door is blocked from the other side. We have to go to the other way. There are soldiers inside. I can't open the door. Maybe if I clear the area, they will open it for me. Get out. Stupid dog. There are many dog man. Stupid dog man. Stupid dog man. Oh, so maybe I should do it. Um, where's the other way? Aha! Must be similar. Oh shit. Die, you piece of turd. My goodness. Would you get the fuck out of here? Shotgun, AK, and N16, so... Ah, there's another level. Wow. It's very dark. I don't know what to do. It's very dark. Haha. No deal, no price. What the? Hey, what is the fucking hell wrong with you? Ah! Explosive insects! Get out, you Mario thingy. Get out. Ah! The explosive insects! I'm seeing everything! What the hell? 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 I don't know where's the exit at. No. That's not the other way. Ah! Got me. Very exposed and open bath. I need to find a shortcut. Whoa! Ow! Something happened to me. I need to go to the path. Right here. This path. This path. Ah! Go away! I'm scared! Ah! Go away! You piece of bomb thingy! Come on! I died. So by the way, thank you all so much for watching, for playing the Mutant Zone 2. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to subscribe to Sonia Peta Animations, and Happy New Year! Bye bye!